Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can rent a GPU with Vast AI. In order to do so, here we are at vast.ai, and what is Vast all about? Well, instant GPUs, transparent pricing. Deploy high-performance GPU instances in seconds and save up to 80% versus traditional clouds with 24/7 expert support. If you're interested, you can come here to click Get Started, or you can book a demo. Contact sales in order to find a deal that's tailored for your needs. And you can see here an example of the different GPUs that are available. We've got the RTX 5090, the H200, and you can see here what the cost per hour is compared to their competitors. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing. And you can see here for yourself the different GPUs that Vast offers and the pricing for the different GPUs. So depending on what you're looking for, you can come here, take a look at the list, find what you need, and you can rent it based on the pricing here per hour. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the link tree in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights. And if you click on the link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Highly recommend Sintra. It's a fantastic tool, one of my favorite AI tools out there. And also check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, you can click on the link there in the link tree and get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.